भाजपा सांसद सुधांशु त्रिवेदी ने कहा, केरल के कोट्टायम जिले में आनंदू अजी की संदिग्ध परिस्थितियों में हुई दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण मृत्यु बहुत ही दुखद और पीड़ादायक है। इस समय भारतीय जनता पार्टी परिवार और शोक संतप्त परिजनों के प्रति अपनी गहरी चिंता और सहानुभूति व्यक्त करती है।
And painful. At this point, Bharatiya Janata Party expresses its concern and sympathy towards the kids and kins of the bereaved. And we also strongly demand that there should be in-depth inquiry and free and fair inquiry at the earliest on this suspicious incidents, so that the wheel of suspicion which has been looming over it should be totally unveiled and the picture should clear. This incident is very unfortunate and painful, but more painful is the dastardly politics which Congress party is trying to do to malign the image of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Congress is doing because of their habit and their perpetual thought process against the RSS ideology of Hindutva. In post-independence era, thrice they try to even ban RSS, and every time they fallen flat on the court of law. The last was on 4th of June 1993. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and RSS is that organization whose workers and office bearers has laid down their life for the cause of the national integration and national unity, north, south, east or west. And they have completed a century recently. Congress party should remember that even in the state of Kerala, numerous number of RSS workers have been assassinated on the political ground in the governments of both UDF and left. Now, in order to malign the image and without any inquiry, trying to pose a conclusion is nothing but the nefarious design of Congress party and their hatred towards RSS ideology, and this is another dastardly character assassination attempt by Congress party, which we condemn strongly. And we again demand that a free and fair inquiry should be conducted and concluded at the earliest.